let's talk about sharing your personal journey together with your business journey. Hi, my name is Foo Torres, but you can call me Foo, and I get people featured in media or I keep them out of it. That simple. The point with this video is that you should definitely share your personal story when you are in business. And the reason for this is because people make business with people. People do not make business with businesses because, you know, we're humans, and I guess it's part of our DNA and how our ancestors communicated and did business was with people that they really like, and we still do that. And regardless on how much story you can see about a business and how great they are with their clients, people really want that why. People want to know the why you're doing this. Why are you so qualified, but in not qualified in a sense of knowing how to do your job, but qualified for working with them, right? The client, the prospect that is looking to relate to your business, relate to you. So then they give you the chance, because I mean, that happens to me. And I know that happens to a lot of people. I want to make business. It's not like I want to have friends, right? Like I want to just make friends in business and that's it. But I do want to make business with people that I enjoy talking to, that I can feel related and invested in the person behind the company, because I love stories, and most people do. We as humans, we're storytellers. We're natural storytellers. That's how we pass all the knowledge. So until, you know, then we start writing books, and now it's the internet. But before that, we just tell one another. And still to this day, with the internet and all of the amount of information everywhere, that is, it's just massive amounts of information everywhere, people still looking for referrals, for reviews of friends. And that is something that is never gonna go away, because it's hard to know who to trust. Regardless of testimonials and everything, people want the story. That's what people want. And in the testimonials, obviously, if you tell a good story, it is great. But people really want to see the why, like your past. Like, how did you get into this? Like, I don't know if you watch Shark Tank, they always ask about the past. Like, why are you doing this? Why did you got into this? What was your background? And it's because that matters. Look, they're investors and doing a lot. They have a lot of money. It's not like they freaking out about losing their money and losing their wealth. But they are looking for the story, because that's what often makes them jump in on something or not. The numbers yeah, does it make sense? But the mission, vision, being relatable, that's the most important thing. That's how you start a movement. And that's how you can take a brand national and even internationally. So if you want to grow your business, if you want to increase your reach, use your person, use your experiences, and share that with the world through content and publicity strategies. And if you need help with that, you can definitely leave a comment or find a way to get to me. I'm pretty available online. I hope this helped. And I hope you stay in for the next video, and I hope to see you in the next video. All right. Thank you. This is Foo signing off.